Hi electric scooter riders! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your electric scooter. Maybe the throttle stopped working, the screen is frozen, or you just want a fresh start. A simple reset can fix it without going to repair shop and without spending a single penny. I'm going to share 3 simple and most used reset methods. One of these will work for you, so watch till the end to get your scooter back on track. Before we start, a quick request. Please like this video and subscribe for more scooter tips and hacks. Alright, method number 1. Check for a reset button. Many scooters hide a tiny button near the charging port or under the deck. Turn the scooter off, unplug the charger, and press that button for about 10 seconds. Use a pen or toothpick if needed. Power it back on, and for many riders, the scooter works like new. Method number 2. Try button combos. On Xiaomi scooters, hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. On Segway Ninebot Max, press the brake and power button together for about 3 seconds. These combos are super common and often fix glitches fast. Method number 3. If your scooter has an app, this is the easiest. Open the app, go to Settings, and tap Factory Reset or Restore Settings. In one click, your scooter is back to default, just like new. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more scooter hacks. And let me know in the comments, what's your scooter model and which method worked for you?